So today we have the pleasure with us. Akshita is here with us and she is looking out for her studies in abroad. Hi Akshita.
Hi.
So Akshita, can you please share about your journey and how are you looking out? Which all the countries you are looking out in terms?
I was looking for Canada and Ireland, but they suggested me that Ireland has more better options I can go for, and they really helped me to choose a best career option which would help me. So yeah,
So how is your experience with us?
it was so nice talking to them. They are really helpful, and I would love to do my journey with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Akshita. Thanks a lot. I'm very thankful to them for giving me guidance. I was here for because I wanted to pursue masters in psychology in Australia. I'm also very thankful to Sonal ma'am because she helped me a lot with my questions and everything. Thank you.
So I had a very great experience with them. So they counseled me very well. They have suggested me the university where I can go and study. They have suggested me countries as well, which will be best suit for MBA in events. And they have guided me so well. I think I'll be make up my mind for getting education and of course going with them if they will be helping me out, as they were saying that they will be helping me out in the scholarships and everything. So of course I'll go with them and work or maybe they'll suggest something good country or suggestion for IELTS or something. I'll be taking their reviews for that. Thank you.
ओके हाय माय नेम इज़ प्रवीण गौतम. मैं दिल्ली द्वारका से हूँ. सो बेसिकली मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे रेकमेंड किया था वर्ल्ड एक्स के बारे में कि एक्चुअली मेरा कंसर्न था अबाउट स्टडी अब्रॉड. सो अब मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं है कि लाइक क्या प्रोसेस होता है, क्या प्रोसीजर है अदर किसी कंट्री में जाना. मैंने इवन कभी ट्राई भी नहीं करा, बात ट्रैवल भी नहीं करा. सो मुझे ये था कि लाइक हाँ मतलब थोड़ा सा इनसिक्योरिटीज़ होती है, फैमिलीज़ को इनसिक्योरिटीज़ हैं. सो मेरा ये था कि थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें क्लियर होंगी, एटलीस्ट थोड़ी बहुत तो चीज़ें क्लियर होंगी. बट हाँ लाइक वर्ल्ड एक्स का जो स्टाफ था, जो उनके मेम्बर्स है, काफ़ी सपोर्टिव है, लाइक अच्छे हैं. सो दे हेल्प्ड मी अलॉट. सो मेरी काफ़ी चीज़ें थी, इंक्वायरी थी, वो सारी शॉर्ट हो गई. अब मेरा ये है कि हाँ मैं थोड़ा फ्री हूँ. अब मेरे को ये कि थोड़ा काइंड ऑफ डर कह सकते हैं, वो थोड़ा कम है. सो लाइक या आई कैन गो विद वर्ल्ड एक्स for future.
It was nice environment and nice placing of the event.
What did you have? What did you learn? Which university you are looking at?
I reviewed TOI of Germany and it was good, and I'm mostly interested in Canada University. Likewise, I will consult my elder brothers for this.
And would you like in what the next? Like for which internship would be rather do?
I will be choosing mostly BCom or I will be pursuing BBA.
And when are you plans?
September 2025.
September. Fine. And like if I talk about world leaders, how you're planning? When are you coming to us? And when are you starting your process? So that
As soon as possible, my elder brother and my other counselors will grant me to do. I will be pursuing it and the next.
Hello, I'm Rashri, and my experience was very good. Like the teachers were really helpful. They answered all the questions, so it was really nice to meet them. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rashi and I'm working with World edX since past 6 months, and they have guided me in a very precise manner in the way I wanted to learn, and I wanted to know how all these things work. So I was targeting US, and luckily I got my acceptance letter yesterday, and thanks to my mentor and the counseling team. Also, these things take time, and you have to be very patient with all these things, but these people stay with you. They help you to to learn like कि कैसे चीज़ें होती हैं, और they'll tell you the exact way, the procedure कि हाँ इस तरीके से आप अप्लाई करो और this will take this much time and everything. Like they even support you financially. Courses ढूंढने में भी आपको हेल्प करते हैं. They help you with the particular goal कि आपका टारगेट इतना है कि आप इतना ही एक्सपेंस कर सकते हो, तो वो आपको उसमें भी हेल्प करते हैं. So this is very great with the company, and I'll say कि you can give it a shot. It was a great experience.